go to the thrift store in Maryland, and I decided to bring you guys along with me just to see what I can find. I don't have any expectations as to looking for anything in particular. Going just to see what I can find. If I find something cool, that's great. If I don't, I still won't be disappointed. I'm just honestly just going to see what they have. So I'm going to take you guys along on the trip with me. Let's go. Just arrived at this thrift store, so I'm getting ready to go in, and I'm going to try to vlog as much as I can, because I did mention to you guys that I am not that comfortable with vlogging in a thrift store. And right now I'm kind of like in the hood, so I don't want to tick nobody off because I'm not about that life. Yeah, so let's get to it. All right, now y'all, we are in the store, and I'm just doing a lot of browsing. I'm in the purse section, just looking at stuff, just trying to show you guys what it feels like to be in a thrift store. Just at the shoes and kind of just browsing, pointing out different things that I find to be somewhat cute or just interesting, just so you guys can see, just the different things that they have. This was really cute. It was velvet, very vintage. This was another vintage sweater. Wasn't my style, but it was cute. I thought it was worth showing you guys. Yeah, just kind of speeding up, going through the aisles, because this is a super long video, and I wanted you guys to get like a real true feel of what it's like to be in a thrift store and to see the magnitude of everything that they have. So I'm sorry if I'm moving too fast, but like I said, this is a super long video, and eventually we will get to some of the items that I actually chose. That jacket was super cute. It was J. Crew. The price was good. Wasn't particularly my style, but I thought it was worth showing you guys. Yeah, just breezing through. The purses. This one was a real leather purse. I thought that was cute to show you. This one was super cute. Wasn't my style, but I just thought it was really interesting. They had a lot of stuff here. Wasn't a big wow factor. This was a vintage Fila shirt. This sweater really caught my eye. I did end up putting it in my cart. However, I did not end up getting it once I tried it on. Just showing you guys some sweaters. Nothing really interesting. Yeah. So this was a crochet sweater, knit sweater that was super adorable. I tried it on. It was cute on me, but I didn't think I would wear it. And honestly, I didn't want to just get stuff just to be getting it. I wanted to get stuff that I really, really needed and wanted, which is nothing. But sometimes I have to calm myself down because I really just can't buy everything. You can't have it all. But that was a super cute vintage sweater. And this sweater really caught my eye. For some reason, now that I'm 50, over 50, I have been really craving color in my wardrobe, like bright, vibrant colors. This yellow sweater I just fell in love with this. It was just absolutely beautiful. I love this canary yellow. It was just so pretty. And I did end up getting this. So, yeah. I am moving over to the dresses. Um, I'm seeing some nice stuff, but you got your wants versus your needs, and honestly, I don't need anything else. So I do see a few things in here that's catching my eyes, but yeah, I'm still looking, trying to take my time because with thrifting, it requires time and patience, and I'm trying to decide, do I even have the patience that I need today? I have found a few things. What I do notice about this particular thrift store is that there is a lot of vintage items, and I am liking that, but not a whole lot that has like really caught my eye. I did find a couple of sweaters that I'm contemplating getting, but it's also a whole lot of fast fashion in this particular store. I'm not sure why. This one is across the street from an Air Force base. But they do have a lot. I just, like I said, I don't know if I'm just not in the mood right now. It's been a long day. But they do have some cute stuff. Like this dress is super cute, but it's very polyester-ish. I like vintage clothing. And I'm not seeing a whole lot. I'm a super dress person. I love dresses. And generally, I mean, if I can't find something in the dresses, I mean, that's pretty bad. Oh, this is, something's cute about this. Look at this. I do like this. Oh, it looks vintage. Let me just see. Y'all, I'm so mad that I did not get this skirt. I'm a dream about this skirt. This skirt was so freaking cute. Ugh. Sometimes the stuff I should get, I don't. And look at this. This was so adorable. I love anything that sparkles. But I'm really trying to stay away from black and add more color to my wardrobe as we start getting closer to spring. Telling another one of his friends that blue and orange is 50% off today. So I'm not sure if I have any blue or orange in my cart, but I'm going to check before we leave, just to see. Like I said, some cute stuff. And I love unique stuff. Like this is so freaking cute. This is what I'm talking about. This is stuff that I love right here. Oh my God, that's so freaking adorable. But this right here is more my speed. Vintage. Yes, vintage, baby. They don't make it like this anymore. This is beautiful, and it's not showing up on the camera as I would like it to, but this is so freaking pretty. Guys, so my camera is about to cut off, but look at this. I just had to catch this before I leave this store, but this is absolutely amazing. Look at this. This is a plus must. Look at that price. $5.99. Absolutely getting
I was trying to see what it was. Alrighty. So this one is 50%, because that was the orange.
Okay.
Okay. So your total is 25.41.
Okay, guys, I just got home. I went to 2 additional thrift stores after my camera died when I was in B Thrifty. So I've been to 2 different thrift stores and also the camera store today, and I am exhausted, and there's no way I can complete this video. So I will be back tomorrow morning to show you guys everything I got. So, and as you can see, here's all of the stuff, all the bags, savers. I went to, what's this? To A Thrift, and then this is the bag I got from B Thrifty, the first thrift store. And yeah, so I will show you guys everything tomorrow. Until then, good night, bye.